Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So in this video I'll be taking you through the latest updates from the Bless network. So if you're actually running the Bless network, kindly sit back and do this in a short while, so it doesn't take you much time. How to register, connect your Twitter or X, and this will help us verify Blessed community contributor. So you have to prove that you're human. So connect a wallet that already has some funds in it. So definitely that means you must have a wallet that you've actually been using for some transactions, or you have some money inside of it. Do you get that? So it's actually to verify that you are not a bot. So, and also if you use our OKX wallet, which I will actually advise that you can use, so you can actually import your current wallet OKX wallet or create a new wallet to receive a 5% of your base Bless extension time. So that's all you've got to do. So now I'm going to open my extension right now. So I'm clicking on the Bless extension itself. So, alright, so this is my extension, so my connected time today. So I'm actually going to check into my dashboard. So I'm going to click here. So I'm going to open my dashboard to actually see my dashboard. So I want to connect my wallet. So this is my dashboard, and I've actually been only active 45 days of my total network participation, and just today alone I have 10 hours on, I've been online for 10 hours, I've been connected. So these are my notes, and actually the achievements here. So now this is where I'm actually going, the airdrops. So just as you have it here, so you have just 1 day left for you to actually get to do this. So you only have 24 hours left to actually do this. So I'm going to be editing and attaching a video of what I did to actually get my registration complete together. So kindly sit back and watch, and make sure you do everything possible to make sure that you get this sorted. Register for airdrop and click on that. So it's going to actually verify that you've connected your social media channels, and now you can see I'm already on the next phase. So it's confirmed that already. So connect the wallet where you want to receive your airdrop. So please use your main personal address to avoid being identified as bots. So I would advise you use a verified wallet that you've been using, not the one having a lot of funds or your main wallet, but just use the one that you know that you've actually been using for a while, and it's actually been trading with it, or you have some funds there. It's not really heavy funds like that. You get what I mean? Big on software. So that should give you a pop. That's that same wallet that you've connected to the OKX website. Alright, so now sign in with your wallet, confirm ownership. So it's actually verifying. Just click on verify that you are human. Yes, success. So sign in with your wallet. So verify, you can read the information you have here. So it's just being more or less conscious of what you're authorizing. So I'm going to click on approve. Right, so success. So almost there. Please click the button below to register for the Bless airdrop. The process might be a bit slow, so just follow through. And due to the traffic website, so just follow through. So click on register airdrop. Alright. Sign message, sign the registration message. Next. So it's a bit slow, so you have to be patient. Right. You can also find what you have here. It's really helpful. So registration to the okay. So you are now registered. So sources, you can just use here. You can also follow on Twitter, which definitely you must have been doing before now. So I'm going to just close. So registration complete. You are in. Guys, I think you've been able to get through how to actually connect your wallet and to get started. So kindly make sure you finish it once and for all. You only have 1 day left to actually register and key into this airdrop. So don't allow your efforts to be wasted. Let's get to see what it's going to definitely come out of this. All right, guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with TeamBees. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and please kindly drop your comments and also put on your notification bell. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with TeamBees. Bye for now.